morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are revising your concepts on daily basis. Plus, you all have to stay at your home and you have to eat healthy, fine, to be strong. Okay, so this is your spoken English session. So you have to bring out your spoken English book, which is there on screen. This is your spoken English Joyful D Special Me book. Okay, so hurry up, open your spoken English book. Then, first of all, we will have a recap of your previous concept, and then we shift towards our today concept. Okay, and I also want to know that is there any doubt related to the phonic sounds related to the spoken concept. If there is any doubt, so you have to tell me immediately. Let's open your spoken English book. You must have pencil in your hands. Open this book. Come on the very first page, that is your page number 4. It's belong to your unit A. Fine. So earlier we are doing the three-letter words. In our English concepts also we are covering the three-letter words with A sound, with E sound. Till now we covered E sound. Okay. So first of all, let's have a quick recap of your three-letter words. Okay. So I am putting my cursor on any of random word. You all have to read it loudly. Okay, so parents, it's a request to you all that uh, when going to start, when you're going to cover the spoken English today, so you all have to do a previous recap of this page number 4 as well as page number 5. You have to put finger or whatever. If you have pencil, so you have to put pencil on a random word, and then you have to ask my kid that please read it aloud. Okay, so let's start. Basically, I'm taking my pencil and I'm putting it on any random word. You have to read it. Okay, you all have to raise hands first. Okay, tell me who wants to read this word. Ma'am, me. Okay, Jasleen, read this word. You have to read it with phonic sounds. Okay, you can take help from the above clip arts. So, ma'am, r, a, t, rat. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now, who will read this? Ma'am, should I read it? Okay, fine. Read this word. Ma'am, this is the dad. Very nice. Okay. Now, Gunisha, read this word with phonic sound. Okay, you have to read it with phonic sound. Ma'am, the no नहीं o sound. Okay, o for orange होता है ना, जब आप orange बोलते हो तो sound क्या होती है o. So o g dog. Very good, Gunisha. Okay, Sanvi, you have to read this word. Which word is this? Ma'am, actor cat. Okay, your letter A will give you what sound? What sound? Ma'am? A apple. Very good. Okay, Supriya, read this word. This one, what is this? Read this word for me. Ma'am? O mom. Very good, Supriya. Okay, the next is who will read this? Samarth, you have to read this. What is this? Ma'am? B a s bus. Very good, Samarth. Very nice. Okay, Sahaj, now it's your turn. You have to read this word for me. What is this? Ma'am? Actor hat. Very good. Clapping. Okay. You all get a big star. Okay. Those students who read it correctly, you get a big star. Okay. Now, Sukaran, you have to read this word. What is this? Ma'am? B a g Bag. Very good, Sukaran. Okay, now I'm turning my page. Okay, let's do a recap of this page as well. You have to come on page number 5 first. Okay, let me check. आपने 1 week. I'll give 1 week for covering these two pages. आपने अच्छे से रिवाइज करे या नहीं करा? Okay, so this is a mock test of you all. Okay, now those students who left, now it's your turn. Okay, Anaisha, tell me what is this? You have to read this word for me. Ma'am, wo a n van. Very good, Anaisha. Okay, now Ahana, read this word. What is this? Ma'am, wo I g wig. Very good. Okay, Mitakshi, now please read this word. This one, ma'am. Y a k yak. Okay, very nice. Okay, now who will read this? Devir. Now read this one. J a g. J a g. Jug. है ना? You have jug? Yes. Have you ever seen a jug? Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Now, Vedic, read the upper word. This one. ये क्या है? Who will read it? Vedic will read it. Vedic, you have to read this 3-letter word. Ma'am. L-O-G. Log. Very nice. Okay. Sahaj, you have to read this word. This one. ये क्या है? Ma'am. Z. No. Z. Z. E. For zip. Very good, Sahaj. Nice one. Okay, Harvey, now you have to read it. What is this? B for bat. When you said bat, so what is the first sound? B. So B O X box. What is it? Box. Okay. Very good. Now you all get a big star. वेरी नाइस. आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय योर परफॉर्मेंस कि आप घर पर वर्क कर रहे हो. यू पुट एफर्ट्स, लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स. आई एम सो हैप्पी. ओके, सो आपने ऐसे ही एफर्ट्स पुट करने हैं. ओके, एंड अचीव स्मॉल स्मॉल टास्क. ओके, चलो. नाउ वी विल कम बैक टू आवर टुडे concept. So turn your page, students. Come on page number 6 today. So as you see, what is there in this page? There are sentences, है ना? जो आपके 3-letter words हैं, उनसे 3 small small sentences are given to you. So what you have to do? You have to observe the picture and then you have to read those 3-letter sentences. Okay, students? But the very first thing what you have to do is, जब भी आप ये worksheet start करोगे, you have to put a date over here. Okay, जैसे आज today is Friday, so Friday is for your spoken English class, so you have to put today's date on top. Fine. Also circle the day, then you have to go outside, check the weather today and circle the particular clip art. Okay, this 4 stars you have to perform with each subject. Okay, with a new worksheet. Fine. So as you see this worksheet, students, this worksheet is divided in 2 halves. See, this is the line now in middle. So this worksheet is divided in 2 halves. So आपने क्या करना है? You have the whole week. Today I'll introduce you the whole worksheet, but what you have to do, you have to cover this worksheet full week, है ना? बिकॉज सेंटेंस रीडिंग इज ऑल न्यू टू यू. तो आपने सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करनी है ईच डे, ताकि आपकी रीडिंग, आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव हो. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू ऑल एट योर पार्ट? नाउ आई एम मूविंग ahead with this worksheet. Okay, now let's see what is given below. Okay, so let's read what is given below and then we will start reading. Okay, so the very first is, now we move on to small sentences. कि अभी आज हम क्या करेंगे, we did a new task that we read the small sentences which is given above. So children should be able to read these on their own. जहाँ पर भी चिल्ड्रन को गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे आप हेल्प करोगे, बट ट्राई टू मेक देम रीड बाय अलोन. वो खुद से रीड करने की कोशिश करें, बिकॉज दे ऑल डिड प्रैक्टिस a phonic sound many more time. ठीक है, so you have to try to read them, but wherever they need guidance तो वहाँ पे आप उनको guide कर सकते हो. Okay, then next is, we suggest that you have the children write sentences on long paper strips by cutting a chart paper on its longer edge into 4 strips. So what you can do is, you have a chart paper or you have a blank sheet, fine. तो आपने उनकी लॉन्ग लॉन्ग स्ट्रिप्स कट करनी है, एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस ऑन इट. ओके, you have to shuffle those strips, and then one by one student will came, and then they used to pick one strip, and then they have to read दो सेंटेंसेस. इससे क्या होगा, स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व होंगे. ओके, उनको लगेगा दैट वी आर क्रिएटिंग फन, वी आर प्लेइंग अ गेम, और इसके थ्रू दे आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग गुड, दे ऑल्सो डेवलप एन इंटरेस्ट टूवर्ड्स रीडिंग और स्पोकन. और आप जो हमारा प्रैक्टिस है, जो मेन हमारी प्रायोरिटी है, दैट स्टूडेंट्स विल ट्राई टू रीड, तो वो भी आपकी डेवलप होगी. तो व्हाट यू ऑल कैन डू इज, सी, आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव अ चार्ट पेपर, और इफ यू डोंट हैव अ चार्ट पेपर सो इट्स फाइन, यू कैन टेक अ ब्लैंक शीट. ओके, चाहे आप इनको कलर्ड वाइट के अलावा आप कोई कलरफुल भी ले सकते हो, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स को कलरफुल चीज़ें ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करती है. ठीक है, सो यू कैन पिक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर स्ट्रिप्स. ओके, और यू कैन पिक एनी ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कलर स्ट्रिप एज वेल. सो लाइक, तो आपने क्या करनी है, डिफरेंट पेपर्स की स्ट्रिप्स लाइक दिस आप कट कर सकते हो. जैसे मैंने येलो एंड ऑरेंज करी है. ठीक है, और उन पेपर स्ट्रिप्स पे यू हैव टू राइट द सेंटेंस फॉर दैम. ठीक है, ये जो स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस अभी हम करेंगे बुक में, यू हैव टू राइट एनी 4 or any 5 sentences. You have to write it, and then you have to place it on इन अ बाउल और इन अ ट्रे, राइट. तो आपने प्लेस कर दिया. अब स्टूडेंट विल कम टू यू, एंड देन यू हैव टू आस्क देम दैट यू हैव टू पिक वन चिप. तो स्टूडेंट ने ये चिप जो है वो अपने हैंड में पिक करी. देन यू हैव टू टेल देम दैट यू हैव टू रीड दिस सेंटेंस विच इज रिटन ऑन दिस स्ट्रिप. ओके, कि आपको ये जो सेंटेंस लिखा है इस पे, उसको रीड करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोनिक साउंड. Okay, so this is the activity which you have to conduct at your home. It's not like कि यहाँ पर नोटबुक में बुक में इनकी यहाँ पे सेंटेंस लिखे हैं, और यू हैव टू tell them that please read this sentence, please read this sentence. You have to interlink the पर्टिकुलर वर्कशीट विद एन एक्टिविटी, ताकि स्टूडेंट्स का साथ साथ इंटरेस्ट भी डेवलप हो, उनको लगे कि आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ फन विद दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, सो पेरेंट्स, प्लीज do it with one sentence or do it with 2-3 sentence, which whatever is comfortable with you. It hardly takes few minutes. ओके, अगर फ्यू मिनट्स हम एफर्ट्स पुट करके स्टूडेंट्स का इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करें किसी भी चीज़ में, तो आई फील गुड फॉर दैट, एंड आई वॉन्ट कि आप भी वही फील करो. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय डूइंग reading. Let's the children come in front of the class, pick a random strip. ठीक है, that point I'll already explain you. The next is, the strips do not need to have pictures. Okay, fine. Let me clear one thing, कि strips पर there is only sentence. You need not to draw pictures on strip. Why? Because we can take the children into reading, because by doing that we are improving their reading skills. Okay, and also comprehend what they read, or रीड करते टाइम दे ऑल्सो कॉम्प्रीहेंड, दे ऑल्सो गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो क्या रीड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आई वॉन्ट कि स्टूडेंट्स का फुल फोकस सिर्फ रीडिंग पर हो. दे डोंट हैव टू बी डिस्ट्रैक्ट विद द पिक्चर. ठीक है, वो पिक्चर देख के डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हो, या पिक्चर देख के एज्यूम ना कर ले दैट the meaning of this particular sentence is this. Okay, so you need to write only sentence, no picture with that. Fine. Okay, so now started. So now I'm going to introduce only this worksheet. Okay, but you have to, when you are doing practice, first of all you have to introduce our kids with this worksheet, then you have to do that activity. Okay, as a revision work. Okay, so students, see, there are the different pictures given to you for your help. So we try to read those sentences. The adder, dad, you have to read it with phonic sound. The adder, dad, her as, has, a, at, cat. You must have pencil in your hands while reading those sentences. Now you have to read the whole sentence. Dad has a cat. Dad के पास क्या है? Dad has a cat. You can see in the picture as well. He is a dad and dad के पास क्या है? Dad has a cute cat. Okay. Now read this sentence. The dad her as has a her at hat. You did the A letter words, है ना? आपने A letter words बहुत बार करे हैं. You also did practice of 3 letter words with A sound, तो आपको A की sound पता होनी चाहिए. So now read the whole sentence. Dad has a hat. Dad के पास क्या है? Dad has a hat. See this picture? Dad is wearing a hat, right? Okay, come to the next sentence, students. The dad, her as, has a b a. You will give you sound a b a s bus. Full stop. That means this sentence stop over here. Dad has a bus. Dad के पास क्या है? Dad has a bus. See this picture? He is having a school bus, right? Okay, now come to this sentence. Now you are going to do the second half of this page. Okay, so students, you have to complete this worksheet in 1 week. You not need to cover this worksheet in 1 day. 1 day में आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है that आज आपने ये introduce करी और complete introduce करके then you have the whole week free. No, you have to do this worksheet, revise this worksheet for the whole week. Okay, the dog, dog, her as, has a at rat. Dog के पास क्या है? Dog has a rat. See this picture? This is a dog and here is a rat. So dog के पास क्या है? Dog has a rat. Now the next sentence. Mom, her as, has a bag. Mom के पास क्या है? Mom has a bag. What she is having? She is having a pink beautiful bag. Who is she? Mom. Right? Do you have a pink bag? Yes, ma'am, I have a blue bag. Okay, very nice. Okay, students, now read this sentence. What is this? This is a sight word. How we have to pronounce it? It's the. What is it? The van, van, her as, has a log. The van has a log. van पर क्या है? Van पर there is a log. This is a wooden log. Okay, the van has a log. Van पर क्या है? Log है. Okay, so students, this is the worksheet which you are going to cover this week. Okay, so now come over here, students. Okay, See, these are the strips which I prepared for you all. Now, there are no picture. You have to read this sentence without picture. Okay? आपने without picture इसको read करना है and try to understand the meaning while reading this sentence. Okay? So, one by one, you have to read it. The at the dad her as has a at a cat. Dad के पास क्या है? Dad has a cat. Full stop. What is the meaning? That dad has a cat. Dad के पास क्या है? Cat है. Okay, now come to the next. What is this? The ad dad her as has a bus. Full stop. Okay. What is the meaning, students? Who will tell me? मैम आई मैम डैड के पास बस है वेरी गुड ओके द नेक्स्ट इज दिस द डॉग हैज एट rat डॉग के पास क्या है डॉग हैज अ rat so you can also take three uh, three letter words as well as short sentence of your own आप खुद से भी prepare कर सकते हो sentence okay read this sentence this is a new sentence you haven't read before the for at a fat cat is sad what is the meaning द फैट कैट इज सैड मतलब जो फैट कैट है मोटी कैट है वो क्या है सैड है ओके तो आप खुद से sentences small sentences parents it's a request that you can prepare the small sentences of your choice as well आप उनकी strips बनाओ and then try to make them read those sentences okay so that's it for your today's spoken English session. We will meet in our next session, students, with a recap and with a new concept. Okay, so till then, you have to practice the sentences. You have to read those small sentences, and wherever you need help, you can ask me. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.